How to upload theme in WordPress. To begin, log into your WordPress admin area and navigate to Appearance, then click on Themes. Once there, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. On the next screen, you'll see an option to Upload Theme near the top. Click this button to reveal the theme upload interface. You'll then see a Choose File button, which you should click to select the theme's zip file from your computer. It's important to note that you should not unzip the theme file before uploading. WordPress expects a compressed zip file. After selecting the zip file, click the Install Now button. WordPress will then upload the file, extract its contents, and install the theme on your site. This process usually takes just a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a success message with options to preview or activate the theme. If you want to start using the new theme immediately, click the Activate link. This will apply the theme to your live site, and you may need to configure additional settings depending on the theme's features.